How to fix search bar not working on your Windows 11. Hello everyone, and let's get started. So if your search bar is not working, here are the few solutions that you can try on. So first of all, press Windows plus R to open the Run tab and click on services.msc. Now you have to search for Windows Search. Right click on it and go to the properties and make sure to choose the startup type as automatic and start the service status. Then click on the recovery tab and change the subsequent failures to restart the service and change reset fail count after to 0 days. Once this is done, click on apply and OK and check if the issue is fixed. The next thing that you can do is right click on the start button and then go to the task manager. Now search for Windows Search and Windows Explorer and make sure to restart or end the task. And then restart the computer once. So these are the solutions that you can opt for. That's all for today's video. For more such contents, do not forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Thank you and keep watching.